1, 2, ready, go. Hello, welcome, Mensore. Today we will learn how to play Sanshin no Hana on ukulele. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and also make sure that the nails on your chord hand are really short. That way you can curve your fingers and make those strings ring. If you would like to learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see song tutorials like this one, unboxings and reviews, and subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, let's get started. We are going to review the chords used in this song, but if there's anything you want to skip to, check the top comment below. Okay, first we are going to play C chord. Make sure and use your ring finger for this one. Don't cheat, don't use the index finger, use the ring finger please. Then we will need G. You're going to pivot the hand inwards. Think of G as coming down from the top of the ukulele. Then we will need F. Use your peace fingers for F. And then we will need G7. Again, pivot the hand inwards. A minor, and finally E7. This one is also one that you need a pivot for. Okay, let's get started with the song. All of the chords in the intro need 2 beats. Here we go. You can watch the first time or you can play along. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now we're going to go into the verse. For the verse, we will need F, G7, C, and A minor. You can watch the first time or play along. 1, 2, 3, 4.
いつしか忘れられたおじの形の三振どこまで誕生祝いの島酒にもたれて誇りを指で撫でて緩んだ板を巻けば対決でたまらなかった島唄が響いた
Throughout the entire song, you can use the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let's try it together on an F chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. But of course, you can also do the down strums. That's what I'm going to do for the tutorial just to keep things simple. Now we are at the chorus. You can watch the first time or play along. 1, 2, 3.
鮮やかによみがえるあなたと過ごした今は柔らかな愛しさでこの胸を突き破り咲いたのはsanshin no hana.
Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3.
鮮やかによみがえるあなたと過
chorus and the second verse, we have a Sanshin kind of little interlude or a Sanshin solo, and that's just the second line of the intro, so you know that already. Let's just play through it real quick. 1, 2, ready, go. And the last part of the song is an outro, but that's borrowed from one of the lines in the chorus, so you can already do it. So play along with me. 2 beats each chord. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now that you have learned all of the pieces of the song, let's put it together and play along with some of it. I will have a link to the original down in the description if you want to play along with that one as well. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Just for fun, a little bit of information on the Sanshin. So the Sanshin is fretless. It has 3 strings. These are the tuning pegs. They remind me a little bit of like cello or violin pegs where you have to kind of push in. The bridge does kind of come off. Let me see if I can do it on camera without making a nasty sound. Oh yeah, here we go. Sorry if that was loud. So this is the bridge here. And it is played with this pick, so my hand goes in here and you pluck or pick downwards. So yeah, since I moved here to Okinawa, it was like a little personal goal, I guess, to learn the instrument of this island. I'm still very much a student, you know, I make mistakes. And here's the sheet music that I was reading, so hopefully it makes sense why I was like so focused looking this way instead of at the camera. I really wanted to try and get as many of the notes right. So yeah, I think if anyone is learning a new instrument, the best way to kind of push yourself is to perform it or record yourself and put it out there for the internet. It just gives you a different rush. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and learning a little bit about a different instrument. I hope that you subscribe to this channel and that we will see each other again. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Sayonara!